The automotive world is undergoing a dramatic transformation. Electric cars are rapidly becoming mainstream. Governments are incentivizing EV adoption. Emissions regulations and subsidies push consumers towards electric alternatives. The industry is investing in research and development. New models offer improved performance and range. Electric motors offer quiet, smooth, and instant acceleration. This attracts a new generation of car buyers. As battery technology improves, EV appeal grows. Are electric cars truly ready for the mass market? Electric cars are environmentally friendly. They produce zero tailpipe emissions. This reduces air pollution in urban areas. Cleaner air means better health. Renewable energy makes EVs even cleaner. Quiet motors create a serene soundscape. Less noise pollution improves city life. Electric cars offer significant cost savings over gasoline-powered vehicles. Electricity is cheaper than gasoline, leading to lower running costs. EVs require less maintenance due to fewer moving parts. Government incentives can further reduce the cost of owning an EV. The long-term savings of owning an EV can be substantial. Driving an electric car is a unique experience. The instant torque delivers exhilarating acceleration. EVs offer a smooth and quiet ride. This makes for a more refined driving experience. Regenerative braking adds to the efficiency of EVs. The silent operation adds to the sense of tranquility. Range anxiety, the electric car's Achilles heel, or as we like to call it, the will I make it home game. Range anxiety is a major challenge for electric car adoption. It's like playing a real-life version of the Oregon Trail, but with less dysentery and more battery icons. Limited range and sparse charging stations deter potential buyers. Imagine planning your road trip around coffee shops with outlets. Improvements in battery technology are gradually increasing the range of electric cars. Soon you won't have to choose between the scenic route and the please let there be a charger route. As the charging network expands, range anxiety will lessen, so you can finally stop asking your car, are we there yet? Plugging into the future. Charging an electric car can be more time-consuming than filling up a gasoline tank. Home charging solutions require several hours to fully charge a battery. The availability of public charging stations varies widely. In some areas, charging stations are readily available, while in others, they are scarce. This can make it challenging to find a charging station when needed. The initial investment hurdle. The initial cost of an electric car is higher than a gasoline vehicle. This higher cost can be a barrier for many buyers. Government incentives help, but the price is still substantial. The cost is due to expensive batteries. As technology advances, prices will drop. Financing options are becoming available. Loans and leasing options make EVs more affordable. Battery life is a key concern for electric car owners. Usage, temperature, and charging habits affect lifespan. Replacing a battery can be a significant expense. Battery performance degrades over time. Advances are improving battery life and performance. Efficient recycling is crucial for sustainable growth. The electric verdict is an EV right for you. It depends on your driving habits, budget, and charging availability. Short commutes and home charging make EVs a great choice. Lower costs and environmental benefits are compelling for urban dwellers. Long-distance travel and limited infrastructure can be challenging. As technology improves, EVs will become more appealing. Consider your needs to decide if an EV is right for you.